How are you guys? I actually just realised something because this is my new channel, Tiago's Garage. I do have an old channel. That's my main channel, which is Tiago Down Under. If you want to go subscribe there, you're more than welcome, which is all about my property and so forth. But I actually worked something out that, well, I actually realised something. This new channel is called Tiago's Garage, and I actually haven't shown you my garage. So this video is just a basic tour of my, well, actually new garage. I've been in this property for about 6 months, so it's fairly new. But I'll give you a tour of my garage. So this is the outside. This is the main garage. I do have 2 sheds on this property, and one's more of a storage shed for equipment, but this is actually my workshop. So this is the inside, guys. If you've been watching some of the videos, you know I've got the smart car project going. So we basically got a hoist here. It's a 4-ton hoist. This is all my sort of bits and pieces and tools. My king chrome mechanical set, and got my shelves, my welders, benches. It's a work in progress, guys, so it's not quite done, but yeah, it's getting there. This is just where I keep odds and ends. So this is the first bay. This is my camera gear. A lot of the stuff I don't use anymore, but bit of nostalgia. But yeah, it's where I keep my stuff. Okay, this is the RC section. You can see it's in a bit of a shambles at the moment because we're doing the... I'm currently getting all my RC stuff out for the new track we're building. If you haven't watched that, go down and watch the building of the RC track. But yeah, these are some of my RC, some of the old nitrous. That's a Kyosho. That's a Kyosho Inferno Nitro. There's my Slash. That's had quite a bit of work done to it. It's not a standard Traxxas, but I used to carpet race that one. This is my old Mini MO3 I used to race. These are some of the Schumachers. This is actually my son's Schumacher. That's my one. We've been using them, so they're a bit dirty at the moment. Some of the drones. It's actually a splash drone. It's a fishing drone I use to go fishing. But yeah, so this is sort of the RC section. I've got other cars too. I've got, actually this is my, I can show you my, I saw it the other day. This stuff's still packed up, but this is my, and I want to rebuild this because it's a little bit trashed. This was my first ever RC car, which was bought, it's 12 years old, and I'm 50, guys. Was the Fox. I don't know why they call it the Nova Fox now, but it was originally called the Fox. So that's an original Fox. That was my grandfather who bought for me, and I want to restore it, but I haven't gotten round to it yet. But it's my grandfather's no longer with us, so it's very sentimental, this car, to me. Oh, this is my Yakomo track car. It's having a bit of work done. I had a lot of this stuff in storage for a long time, so it's I'm having to go through it all. I'm having PowerPoints put in this section here, but for now I'm using this over here to charge everything. But that will purely be all RC stuff over there. This is more tools and workshop. This is more of the timber area. Just turn on the lights, guys. This is where I have more of my timber stuff. That goes up to, I do have a mezzanine up the top there, which is good, but that's my garage, guys. So this is Tiago's garage. There is some more RC cars here. There's some armour Craytons. We have two, one's mine, one's my son's. We've just been having a batch with them on the new track as well. Actually, I just, my Sky RC charger, which I've had for about, a good 13 years, just packed up. But I've actually bought, I have got the GT Power quad charger. It seems pretty good. I've just recently bought that one. And I've also got a Sky RC Neo. I think it's the 200D. Just a power supply there. But yeah, so we're getting back into the RC. I do miss it. I've been racing RCs off and on for many years. It's something I do enjoy doing. So I've had all different types and stages and phases I've gone through. But here I'm lucky enough. We are on about 11 acres, so I've got heaps of room to basically do what I want. So I'm fortunate enough. So we're building our own track, and I will show it to you. Maybe you guys haven't watched the videos, but if you haven't, go back and go into the channel, and I have got progress of building the RC track, but at the moment it's just a property tour. I'll show you the rest of my sheds. So this is the shed next to the big shed. This is where I keep my boat and wash. It's actually like a wash bay and just storage. This is, I love my fishing, where I keep all my fishing gear, reels and so forth. I've been, like I said, this has been a work in progress. So I've been just getting things organised. So if we go out through the back, this is just where I keep my trailers and so forth. This is the second shed. This is where I store all my equipment, tractors and so forth. Just turn on the lights. So basically the equipment shed, lawn mowers, forklift, my Kubota, just equipment. It's my kayaks. I do love my kayak fishing as well. That should be okay, just more storage. And the RC tracks back here. It's I haven't got any jumps on it yet. We're waiting for, I've got a guy coming to take all the clay dirt from the front that I don't want there. And I'm waiting on the clay to make the jumps for the RC track. So this is the actual track so far. I've been scraping it and clearing it. There's a natural elevation. So we're up high here, but I am going to raise this. Whether I put one of the shipping containers here or if I just raise it with soil, I'm not sure yet, but that's the actual track. It's quite large. It's probably, having a look, probably about 700 square meters worth of land. So it's quite a big track. It should be good once it's done, I'm hoping. But so far that's where we're at. Yeah, so that's the property. My property goes all the way down. Love this place. I'm very fortunate to be able to live here. Me and my wife have worked damn hard, but still consider ourselves very fortunate. So I'm thinking of maybe using this container as a platform for the RC track. I'm not sure yet. There's quite a few ways we can go about it. Okay, guys. So that's my garage, guys. It's I absolutely love it here. Fantastic space to work in, and that's my CR7 golf cart that I tricked up. So I'm Portuguese. My background is Portuguese. I live in Melbourne, Australia, but big Ronaldo fan, as most of us Portuguese are. And I decided to pimp the golf cart. Was quite old and gruddy when we got the property. It come with the property. And I decided to pimp it and make a tribute to Ronaldo. Just for fun. Hopefully Portugal win the 2026 World Cup. And if that's the case, I'm driving this thing down the main fucking street of Melbourne. But yeah, that's my garage. If you got any questions or want to ask me anything, feel free to do it. I'm happy to answer most things. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the tour. All right, cheers, guys. Thank you. The channel is new, so if you could give a subscribe or a like, that would help heaps. If you don't, then you don't. But hope you enjoy it. If you are enjoying it, I hope so. All right, guys, bye.